Now, I think aquariums are moving from being places where animals are held captive to being places that showcase the whole aquatic environment.
Possibly even having a researcher in-house at the aquarium would be absolutely fantastic.
The Pacifica story, the Maui story, and how we interrelate and interact with each other is very important to tell.
It must have a significant impact in one of its features, something that it does become the draw card for people to say, I'll pick Hawke's Bay as a destination.
So it needs to be adventurous. Yeah.
It should go well.